Welcome to Unit 2 of the blogging course. We are talking all about attracting your ideal client today. So imagine you have an ideal client that you kind of have in mind that you want to attract to your practice. Well, this exercise that we're going to do today is going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to sketch them out. And once we do that, it's going to be a lot easier when we go through the next units to talk about how do you blog to attract them. So first, what we want to do as an exercise is we want to think about who are we trying to attract. Give this person a name, give them an actual age, write down as much as you can about their biography. Are they married? Are they single? Don't put an age range. So they're not 25 to 50. We're creating an actual person that we can talk to, that we can have in our mind. Now when we do that, it makes it a lot easier for us to be able to then write to them, to blog to them, to create things that are going to connect with them. Okay, so say you're then dealing with someone that has a set of symptoms. Maybe they're depressed. We want to then start brainstorming what kinds of things would they be Googling. So if someone's feeling depressed, some of the symptoms are that you feel tired. And so then what might they Google? They might Google, why am I so tired? Or another symptom might be that there's persistent sadness. So they might Google, is my sadness normal? And next, maybe they have a poor appetite. So they might put 5 reasons you're not hungry, or why am I not hungry? And so then when you can start to find that stress that they're dealing with, and when you sketch out that entire profile, it's going to help you in a number of different ways. You're going to know who you need to network with to connect with them. You're going to know what kind of stresses they're dealing with, so you can then speak to that even better than maybe your ideal client could articulate it. You're then going to be able to give them hope, and you're going to be able to name it. And by doing that, it's going to help them in so many different ways. So for your homework for this exercise, what I want you to do is to work on your ideal client profile. Give them a name, give them an age, where do they live, are they married, do they have kids, what are the ages of their kids, what school do they go to, what are their stresses, when they vent to their friends, what do they vent about, and then lastly, what are they Googling? All right, get started.